welcome back. Today we are diving deep into something that is quietly affecting millions of people around the world, and most of them do not even know it. We are talking about brainstorm, a powerful concept in medical research that is changing the way scientists understand how salt imbalance, known as brine disruption, impacts the human brain and nervous system. Right now, researchers are discovering that when the body's brine levels go wrong, it creates what they call a brine storm inside the brain, triggering inflammation, disrupting neural pathways, and causing a cascade of symptoms that doctors have been misdiagnosing for years. The latest studies show two very different outcomes. People with wrong brine, meaning unstable or unbalanced salt and fluid levels, experience cognitive fog, fatigue, and neurological stress, while people who learn to fix brine, meaning restoring the correct balance through targeted methods, show remarkable improvements in brain clarity, energy, and overall health. Scientists at leading medical institutions have now mapped out exactly what happens during a brine storm in the brain, using advanced imaging to see how neural firing patterns change when brine levels are off. What they found is shocking. The brain literally changes its structure over time when brine is wrong, creating feedback loops that make it harder and harder for the body to self-correct. But here is the good news. The Fisch brine method, developed from over a decade of clinical research, offers a step-by-step protocol that anyone can follow to reset their system, calm the storm, and restore proper neurological function. It is not complicated, it does not require expensive treatments, and the results, according to the latest medical data, can begin showing within days. In this video, you will learn exactly how brainstorm starts in the brain, what the medical research says about its effects, and most importantly, how to use the Fisch Brine Guide to take back control of your health starting today. Stay with us, because what you are about to learn could completely change the way you think about your body, your brain, and your daily well-being.